Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera scan QR code on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on force stop. After click on force stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on camera app and click on this three line icon and click on settings. Now in camera settings, here showing you QR, scan QR code. So turn on or turn off scan QR code. After turn on or turn off scan QR code, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps and click on app management. Click on camera app and click on storage usage. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So if it doesn't fix this problem, the last solution is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera scan QR code on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.